Hey, alright guys, and today we are going to download and install Anaconda 3 for uses of Python, and then we will see how to do program in that. So without delay, just I'll go through with the complete step here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to Anaconda download. Suppose I just search this one, anaconda.com, then go to this link and you need to go individual edition, and then you have this this download. You need to click that. Okay, click this one, and then we need to go to, I am doing this for Windows, so just choose your operating system. If you know, I mean Mac, you might be doing some um, DMG file and then add to the application, and for Linux we have different. So I'll click the 64-bit. So I have it downloaded. So I'll just go to the downloads and then run. Next, all users. Don't choose this one because normally the instruction it says. Okay, so we will keep it as it is. It takes little bit of time, and then I will see how this works. Normally there should not be any problem, or if you're facing some issues installing this Anaconda, so you can comment it down, and then I can we together can troubleshoot that if needed. Just might be finishing in any minute now. And this Anaconda is very good uh, for your simple programming as well as building your projects. So we will see a couple of tools, plugins to use in the Anaconda. We will write simple program and try to execute that. Okay, done. Just do next, next. So it opens the learn more and these other stuffs. Just open Anaconda by typing in the Windows apps. Then it install this particular is like Anaconda starts and it eats itself by the tail. Come on, it's good. Go. Yeah, once it is open, just a couple of things to note here is this one. Uh, just see this root. Okay, this root, and then we have this environments. Okay, and then a couple of things like this and lab, Jupyter, PowerShell. We will talk about installing this one if it doesn't show launch, so you need to install it. Like Orange 3 I have to install, and then these R Studios, if you need it you can install it. Okay, now What I need to do is go to environment. I had already created this one, so I'll just create, choose which version of Python. Just say name is TCM TCM. I select the version. I'll select 3.7. Let it be 3.7. I'll just create it. And a lot of times, why environment is needed, because in base root, a lot of other available plugins, the libraries, they don't work. So that's my personal experience, which I experienced while doing some OpenCV and TensorFlow work. So it did not work in base, and the same thing I tried in the AML35, that it worked in that part. So that's why I'm creating the environment, and I'm telling how to just open in terminal. So it opens in terminal. So another way is to conda activate AML35. This is the command, conda activate. And now you can check like this this particular, this was AML35, and earlier it was I opened it in edit in TCM, and then when I did conda activate ML35, it went to ML35. So let it leave, and then what we will do is go to home, and then I want to show you Jupyter Notebook. So just install. It should not take much time. Jupyter Notebook is very good. You can do your exercise in browser. Okay, yes. If it asks anything while installation, just say yes. You can read also what it is asking. Okay, I want to show how Jupyter Notebook works. So it opens in this one. Go to this one, this section, and check for new. Okay, check for new. Once you yeah, you are here, just open new Python 3, and then say print hello, and shift enter. What I said is shift shift plus enter executes this particular line or this particular block. Okay, so what I'm going to do is shift enter. And in that one, shift enter prints hello. Okay, it went to next version, next line, x equal to 5. Shift enter, it should not print anything, but it will assign 5 in variable x. Okay, now if I say print x, shift enter enters that. Now all other things like print message, it will work in that case only, in that sense. Okay, now I do shift enter, it did not return anything, but then I will call that message function with My I am loving Python. Shift enter. Okay, so this was one case for anaconda. Now let let us shift to VS Code. Okay, I have installed it. Maybe let us install the. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so I had installed it. I'll show you how Spider works. Okay, come on, you can do that. Just note the path here, down below down. Okay, this particular envs where it is creating. Once it is done, we will see the spider and their controls. Should finish anytime. Come on, buddy, you can do that. Hmm. We saw Jupyter Notebook, we saw VS Code, and now we are going to see how Spider works. And once that is done, that will be it for this video. And the next, I'm going to show you how to install Git and then how to configure Git for your system and then use it out. It should come on. It's taking much more time than expected. By cursor. Okay, do you want to allow this app from unknown publisher to make changes to your device Python exe? So yes, I want to install Spider. That's why I'm selecting yes, and then it installs, and it's done. Okay, when it is done, I'll just do a launch. Spider 4. It opens in a separate window. We are waiting for Spider to come up and say hi to us, but it did not. We don't know what happened. Launching code, launching IPython loading project, and then okay, I need to restart actually this one. So I'll just where is Spider? Hmm. That part I missed it. So you once you install and if it's not working, you need to restart and restart that application and then try it again. And it seems I'm hoping it should work. I will launch it. Once again, let's try that. Code IPython console. Yeah. So as we said, we after okay, we will see that later. After installation, we need to launch. Now say print. Okay. When you say F5, so it asks about the few things. You need to see select that and run. So you need to check here how it runs. So the output is properly. So that's all for the day. And then if you have any doubt or anything, just comment below. And if you liked it, please subscribe and share to the people who want to know about this, who want to install and use Anaconda 3 or Anaconda simply. Okay. Uh, Thank you.